Hello, good morning. So today is November 27. It's 10 o'clock a.m. Nandito kami sa Marhaba Lounge. And 1 p.m. ang aming boarding time to Osaka. Dito kami ngayon sa Marhaba Lounge. So, mag-stay kami for 3 hours. So, we're going to Osaka today. So, kasama ko si Milo. Milo and enjoy na enjoy sa mga food. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga food doon.
Once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So we're here now at Osaka. Napakalamig. Anong oras ba ngayon? Di anong oras ngayon sa local time? 7:45 p.m. November 27 pa din. So, inintay lang namin yung service namin. So, nagbook ako sa Klook ng airport pick-up hanggang sa hotel namin. So, mga 5,000 yun. Pesos. So, ayan. Ito na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung yung labas. Hindi na ako nakapag-video sa loob kasi mabilisan. Yeah, mabilisan ng lahat.
At hindi pa din naman.
Ang lamig. Grabe. Nakakangato.
Ang sarap eh. I miss this so much.
Yeah. Alright. So, ito na ang aming service. Toyota Wellfire. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kotse. Terminal 1, Kansai Airport. Okay, that's our service. Alright, so we're now here at the hotel at SLED Nippon Bashi. So, ganito yung nila, lobby nila, walang tao. So, mag-aano ka lang dito online. Something check-in.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like.
Alright, we're done. We're now checked in. And now we will go to our room. Bye!
See you tomorrow.
Okay, so we're off to dinner. Napasok na namin yung mga bag namin. So, ayan yung room namin. 406. Yan. Andito lang yung elevator. Yan. So, magdi-dinner lang kami. Mamaya na ako magro-room tour. So, yan ang OOTD. Jacket lang kasi sobrang lamig. So, nandito kami sa Island Hotel. Nippon Bashi kasi napakadaming e-sled. So, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. E-sled or e-sled. So, ayun. Okay, so, alright. So, let's do a quick room tour. So, ito yung door. And then, from here, merong mga cabinets. So, ayan. Kahit nang ilagay, ito mga shoes. Ay, naglagay na kami ng shoes. Ayan. You wanna join?
Okay.
Okay, and then here we have the washing machine. Ayan siya. So, ayan yung mga towels. And this is the toilet. I mean the bathroom. So, ayan. May sink. May blower. Mga toothbrush. And then, cotton set. Foam soap. And then, there's a mirror. Parang masyado mainit yung ano. Ito na-adjust yung pahit nila dito. Ayan. Kasi ang lamig na. And then they have, this is the bath now. So, ayan, bathtub, and then shower. Ayan, merong mga body soap, conditioner, shampoo, and a full-size mirror. There you go. Dito naman ang toilet. So, ayan. Tissue. Ang cute ng trash can, no? Ayan. Super liit. Ayan, the usual, toilet ng Japanese na heated seat. And then, merong, ito nakakang-cute to. May wash, ano siya, basin. And ang cute ng wallpaper panda. And then, may tissue doon. Towel here. Ganito siya. Ganito itsura niya, no? So, pagpasok mo ng pinto, ay yung cabinets ng mga shoes. And then, washing machine. And then, the bath. And then, the toilet. So, can you close the door, anak? And then here, there's another door. Ayan. So, nandito naman yung mga bed. Yung pinaka-bed. So, ayan. So, merong 3 beds. Tagi-isa kami. Ayan. And then, dito may dining table. Ayan, medyo magulo na kasi kumain kami. And then, ayan. May TV. Merong air purifier. Ayan. Tapos, may AC. Tapos, may terrace dyan. Tapos, ito yung closet. So, it pulls like, you can just, anak, can you help me? Ayan. Pull mo lang ng ganyan. So, ayan. Nahang ko na iba kong jackets. Ayan. Tapos, ang maganda, meron siyang mini kitchen. So, merong trash bin, fridge, microwave, and then water heater, kettle, sink, and then meron pang ano, stove. Ayan, may ganyan. Tapos may mga gamit din dito. Ayan, may mga gamit din kung need nyo. May mga gamit din dyan. So, ang nice, kompleto. Ayan siya again, ang view from here. There you go. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung may terrace dito. Kaso sobrang lamig. Ayoko pang lumabas. Ayan, may terrace din dyan. So, that's it. That's the room. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Okay, good morning. It's November 28th and it's almost 9 a.m. So, nasa taxi na kami sa Universal Studios.
No, don't think you have.
See you later. Alright, so we are now here at the Harry Potter sa Universal Studios Japan. Hogsmeade. Okay, yun na ang Hogwarts. Oh my gosh, so big. Pwede pumasok dyan, so mamaya papasok kami. Nagpipicture lang muna kami dito. Okay, butterbeer. Thank you. Alright. So good.
I love it.
Is that the hot one?
Hot.
of the Hippogriff. Yata yung pangalan ng ride na yan. So, nakapila kami ngayon sa express pass na to, sa lagay na to. So, itong kabila ay regular. Ride of the Hippogriff, si Milo. Ayan siya. Kita kaya. So, nalas Milo. Milo! How was it, baby? How do you feel? Was good?
It was good. I thought I was going to fall, but I'm fine.
Okay. Did you get scared? No. Alright, and we're back. So now is lunchtime. Dito kami kumain sa Amity Landing Restaurant. So, bakit ako sa inyo? Yung kinain. Yung in-order namin. Na nalagyan nila John's. This is my shirt. 2-piece chicken with fries. This is a drink, Coke Zero. What did you get, Milo?
Same thing.
Same thing, yeah. No? And Daddy got the shark. It's a shark, Dad.
Shark sandwich though.
Shark sandwich. And some chicken nuggets. I think. Ayan. So it's so cold. What time na?
Like around. It's 2:17 or 1:17 in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's 2:17 p.m. And we're here at Water World. We're gonna watch a show. So ganito siya. Hello, hello, hello. What time is it na, anak?
Time is 3:38.
It's 3:38 and hindi na namin kinaya yung lamig. So, bumili na kami ng cover sa ulo. And nagkakape na kami.
Oo, ako din.
Hot choco for him and coffee for mom. So, si dad bumibili ng churros. Si merienda time na namin. And then after this, we will go na to Nintendo World kasi 4 o'clock yung schedule namin doon. So, chill-chill lang kami. Alright, so we're here now at Super Nintendo World. Amazing! Okay, so we're now in line at Mario's Nintendo World. So, we're gonna ride the Koopa's Challenge. So, here. Oh, go. Milo.
皆さん、レースの準備が整いました。これより先は必ずお連れ様全員となってお進みください。
Dear.
Okay, so done na kami sa Koopa's Challenge. So fun. Okay, so we're here now at Yoshi's Adventure. Ayan, ganyan siya.
さあ、ご挨拶し。
やっほー、皆さん、
We're at Minion
画面からこんにちは。
女は始めようか。まずは筆記し。
Alright, it's night time now. What time na, anak? It's what time?
6:28.
6:28 p.m. We're having dinner here at what's the name of the place?
Louis New York.
Pizza. There you go.
So, my mom it's no shoes. She's no shoes.
Because of what?
The rides. We went on too many rides. And we're not gonna go on the last one, the Hollywood Dream. Am I right? Hollywood Dream? Yeah. This is my dad. Na ano lang siya sa cellphone lang. Kaka-cellphone mo yan!
Alright, so we ate some pizza. I forgot to like vlog the pizza, but I had 4 cheese with truffle and honey. And And Milo got the what?
Margarita.
Margarita. And Dad got the... What's your pizza, Dad? What's your pizza, Dad?
Forgot.
You forgot na.
The whole chicken.
Okay. Alright, so we're here outside because it's full there inside. So I think after this, we're going to go home na. What's your favorite ride, anak? Let's review na lang muna. What's your favorite ride here?
The Harry Potter. Harry Potter is really good.
Harry Potter. Which one? The Hippogriff or the Forbidden Forest?
Forbidden Forest. That's the best one.
Yeah, the first one we tried, no? How about you, Dad?
The Flying Dinosaur. Yeah, we didn't go on the Flying Dinosaur, by the way.
We didn't go because it's so high and I'm so scared. I wanted the other ride in Jurassic Park, but it's out of service. The one in Mario is fun as well.
Yeah, another cart.
The
Koopa's
Koopa's Challenge, yeah. It's fun as well. So, overall, it was a very good day because of the express pass, no? We didn't line up, so we're not too tired.
We kind of lined up sometimes.
Yeah, just a few. But overall, yeah, we're not that tired and we were able to ride a lot of rides and we were able to explore the whole USJ. So,
Oh yeah, and I don't think we showed this one.
oh yeah. Show it to them. See? It's Snoopy. We didn't go to Snoopy, no? You want to go to Snoopy, Dad?
Sarap ako na ako.
Tired na. Okay, we're tired na. So, ano lang kasi yun, pang kids, pang babies, ganyan. So, I think we're going home after this, after dinner. So, that's it. See you later.
Peace.
Peace
See you
out.
tomorrow or later. We're not sure.